Hello everyone. Okay, in this video I'll be teaching you actually this is the part 3 of the meaning of Revit. Okay, actually I didn't plan it to go for 3 parts video but it went to 3 parts video. Okay, anyway, this is the Revit software. Okay, what's this? This is the Revit software. Okay, John, it's white color, the background is yellow. Oh, sorry. Anyway, this is the Revit software. Okay, see, in Revit, Revit knows that this is a wall. How do I know? If I select it, he says it's a wall. See here, it's a wall. If I select this, he doesn't say it's a line, he says it's a door. Okay, this is the properties palette. Okay, this guy is called the properties palette. And most of the times, either if you're smoking something or by mistake, this happens. Oh my God, it goes. It means I just close this. And sometimes even if you taken 2 pegs or something, this also will go. Okay, now you don't have the project browser and the properties palette. Okay, and in this case, you're scared now. Oh God, what do I do? One option would be uninstall the software and do it again. Okay, this is going to take hours. Okay, an easier option would be go to the View tab. Okay, it's called View tab. Okay, in the View tab, you have your user interface. Click this. In the user interface, you will find your friend project browser and properties palette. Properties. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I always keep the properties, the project browser here, but since real estate is not there, so you just keep it here for time being. Okay, is it clear? So in the properties palette, if I select an object, he gives you the properties of the selected object. Okay, how many walls did I select? 1. If I press control key, the word is control key. Sometimes some people say, John, what you're telling, you cannot understand. So let me write it down. What I'm pressing? Control key. Control key where? In the keyboard. Press control key in the keyboard. Okay, so if I press the control key, okay, and then I select this, you see the plus sign in the mouse, the cursor, you see, I select, he says 2 walls are selected. Okay, anyway, I'm not talking about properties palette, I'm talking about Revit here. Anyway, okay, I just press the escape key. Anyway, so now I selected this. Let me just show you another view. Okay, let's say from this view. Okay, this is common sense. Okay, this is called north. Okay, and this is called east, and this is called west, and this is called south. So this is called floor plan. So in the Revit it's called floor plan. Okay, in floor plan level 1. Level 1 means you can rename this. Okay, this I can rename it. Okay, level 1. Let's assume it's like called first floor plan. Okay, in Revit. Anyway. Right. Now let me go to the north view. From here I am seeing this wall. Okay, so there's different methods of doing it. You can come here, double click, it opens here, and then I would just want to see both WT tile views, okay, and ZA. Okay, so let me just remove this crap which I wrote here. Anyway, okay, one option would be double clicking. Okay, this generally I don't do it. Okay, I call this method for losers. What I do is I right click, go to the view. Okay, sorry, go to elevation view. Anyway, no problem. WT ZA. Okay, so listen. Okay, whenever if I move this, you see, if I select it here, it is selected here. So there is one link between views. There is a link. Okay, there is link between every view actually in Revit. Anyway, let me just press escape key and just rub this what I've done. Okay, anyway, so when I select this wall, this door, okay, the same door here, okay, and I just keep nudging it, means pressing my left key in my keyboard. You see, it's moving everywhere. In AutoCAD you don't think about this. Okay, if you think about this, you should be smoking something. Okay, Clear? So every view updates. Let me just show you another view. This is called a 3D view. Okay, if it's not visible in the recording, I will show you how to get it there. Don't worry. 3D view, the house key. So it's the 3D view. And I press W, T, and ZA. Okay, so let's look at this. I selected every view, it gets selected. Every bloody view it gets selected. Let me just put color so you know you're not colorblind. Anyway, let me just rotate this. Okay, I'm pressing the shift key and the middle mouse key button. Okay, I will explain the mouse maybe in the next video, how, because mouse really plays a big role in any software, I believe. Okay, so look at this. I select this door. I selected this door. I can go to the modify command. Actually, let's say select this, click in the modify panel. You have your move command from base point to another base point. Now what I want you to do is have a look here. You will see it moving everywhere, every bloody view it updates. Okay, that's the beauty of Revit. Revit means what? Revise instantly. Okay, and Revit means what? Revise instantly. I hope this video is clear now. Okay, what's the meaning of Revit? One of the first videos I mentioned, Revit means revise instantly. Okay, revise instantly means what? Every view you make a change in a model object. Okay, model, it will be updated in other view. Okay, so this is a door. How do I know it's a door? You come to the properties palette. One door is selected. The number 1 comes here. Okay, this is the type of the door. Okay, I think this is clear now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next class, let's say. Okay, adios, bye.